sa piknikan. Picnic tayo.
Piknikan.
Hindi ko alam. Sa St. Albert. Binaring ko yung cornhole ko.
Oh yeah.
Sana dito tayo. Meron mga ice cream.
Baka naman may mga magtitinda doon.
I met you last December. Well, I think it was your arm around my shoulder with no care at all. You stayed cool, calm, collected, just playing dumb. Who'd have thought? Yeah, you were so cool, so different. Yeah, I bet you were bending over backwards just to say a word. And you think you're funny now, but they never learn what it cost. And I've been searching, waiting for the right time. You left early, something about your brother's flight. I just wanna tell you what's on my mind. How do we get here and how do we stay? I don't wanna rush things, but I don't wanna wait for you. How do I know that your feelings can change?
Two! Two ah!
Game. Laro tayo. Laro tayo. Okay. Ano ako, red? Oh, explain mo paano. Explain mo.
Shoot mo. Doon
Shoot?
sa...
Ay, ano, take turn?
Take turn.
Okay, ikaw muna.
Oh.
Oops, ako naman. Paano malaman ko? Ay, layo. Uy, good job. Ako naman. Wala.
Huh?
Sinong winner?
Ako, kasi nakashoot ako, hindi ikaw.
Anong kulay ko?
Hmm?
Anong kulay ko?
Red ulit.
Okay na. Ako naman. Let's go. Game. Ako naman mauna. Ha?
Ikaw.
Ready?
Ikaw, oo.
Okay. Game. 1, 2, 3. Eh! 1 point. Ano? Yan.
Uy, yun.
Next, ako naman. Ooh.
Uy.
All. One.
Mm.
Oopsie.
Yun.
Oh! Mananalo ka na naman ah. Okay. Okay, talo ako. For the second time. Talo na. Anak ka.
Thank you.
Next. Dali, next.
Hmm.
Steady. Ay, huwag mong dalawin.
Okay.
Huwag mong dalawin ha.
Ikaw muna.
Okay.
Hey.
Woo! Lampas. Whoops. Wala pa no. Oh. Wala.
Uy. Wala.
Wala.
Hala. Yan.
Thank you.
Okay.
Game. Game. Sino mo naman yung gumawa? Rinig na rinig yan sa ano. Whoop.
Uy.
Wow, sayang. Dini ka sa gitna. Ay, sayang. Plus. Yay! 1 point. Dini.
Talo.
Talo ka?
Mm.
Shoot ako isa.
Kaya nga, bibitaw mo muna. Kasi magkakamukha lahat yun. Magkakamukha. Tulong.
Ha? Alin?
Kulit mo.
Game. Okay, ready?
Incubator.
Game. Game. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Uy! 1.
Uy.
Uy! Shoot! Ringless!
Oo, nakita ko.
Ay! Talo ka!
Ah.
Panalo ako for the first time.
Hindi ha?
Nakadalawa akong shoot.
You won two times already.
Sorry pa! Uy!
Yeah.
Next. Asya! Bali!
Okay lang. Yan.
Game. 1, 2, 3. Sige, ikaw.
Ha? Merong hangin.
Talo. Uy! Sayang! Almost. Uy! Shoot!
Isa.
Lucky, you want to try? Want to play?
I'll be fine.
Saan ba sabi?
Lenny, bless ikaw sa matanda. Alis na.
Alis na. Alis na po. Yes.
Bye, bye.
Okay.
Saan lang inyo dito? Malapit lang.
Bye-bye.
Dito lang din, same sa atin.
Malapit sa inyo.
Oh, sige po. Thank you po.
Ay, bless you
Thank you.
Salamat din.
Thank you po.
Meeting you.
Bye-bye po.
Bye. Joseph,
Ingat po kayo. Tayo, ingat po.
Prayers.
Aba. Thank you po. Salamat po.
Video mo si Rambo ng lagi mo. Yan ang tsaka marap. Yan, may lamok. Hindi mo kalapit ang lamok sa'yo dahil sa off lotion.
Alsin mo muna sombrero mo. Pawis na pawis ka na. Ako mamaya ng bibis.
Yan ang
Sayang ang bike ko. Ako may dala kang bike tayo niyo. Yun, tamo.
Oo. Sarap magbike.
Kahit
Oh.
madapa ka dyan, di ka masusugatan.
Sarap. Ito, binibidyo ka nito.
Hey!
Lenny, yan ah.
Parang nakatungo.
Hindi talaga. Ano.
Ay, siya na nag-picture ng yan. Nakaalis na.
Matanda.
Yan.
Ayan, ayoko na. Mamaya ulit ako.
Okay. Okay.
Spaghetti.
Lade.
Sige, mamaya ulit.
Meron. Uy, nasa na ang chair natin? Yung nasa car.
Ay, cherry. Ay, yan mo.
Upo ka na dyan. Upo ka.
Yun ang dami oh.
Good job, Z.
Ano kaya ito? Nagbili-bili.
Ay, siya ako kunin. Sakad. Kuha daw.
Para meron akong ano. Para meron akong
Upuan. Tara.
Isa lang. At
yan.
daming-dami.
Guys, pupunta tayo sa kotse. Kasi mag-ano ng chair.
Upuan. Chair.
Upuan.
Anong tawag dito sa park na to? Woodlands Park ba ito?
Kingswood
Kingswood.
Park.
Painom ako. Kaya.
Just waking up, had a good night's sleep. Dreams a little weird, but not that deep. No rush today, no plans required. Just a day with my people walk and explore. Stepping on leaves, smell fresh cut grass. Holding my hand when the cars go past. Good iced tea, trees changing leaves. Make that smile that I love to see. Perfect advice when something's wrong. Singing and dancing to our favorite song. Life can be a dream. There's beauty in simple things. Life can be a dream. There's beauty in simple things. Sometimes we get moving too fast, chasing tomorrows and forgetting the past. I'm still amazed by the life we made, and I'm truly grateful every single day. So take a breath, let the world spin. You don't always have to win, just let life in. No better place, no sweeter bliss than right here, right now, easy like this.